Have you ever replayed the same conversation in your head again and again, wondering, did I say something wrong? What if they misunderstood me? What if I fail? That constant mental noise. That endless thinking. That invisible pressure in your chest. That is overthinking, and today, we're going to talk about how overthinking is silently destroying your happiness, and what you can do to stop it, because the truth is, overthinking doesn't solve problems, it creates problems that never even existed. Let's understand why. What is overthinking? Overthinking is when your mind refuses to rest, it keeps analyzing, predicting, imagining worst-case scenarios. Psychologists call it rumination, repeatedly thinking about negative thoughts or past events. You think you're being careful, you think you're being responsible, but in reality, your brain is stuck in a loop. You replay the past, you fear the future, and you completely miss the present. And happiness only exists in the present moment. How overthinking destroys happiness. It creates anxiety about things that haven't happened. Most of the things we worry about never actually happen, but your brain treats imagination like reality. Your heart beats faster, your body feels stressed. You suffer not because of reality, but because of imagination. As the philosopher Seneca once said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Overthinking turns small problems into huge fears. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more psychology and life-changing insights. And remember, your mind should be your greatest strength, not your biggest enemy. See you in the next video.